Good morning, everyone. Welcome to session 1 of module 4. In this session, you'll be dealing with synthetic model and problems and MCQs. So, synthetic model of trip distribution. It established relationship between trip making, measures of attraction and generation. So in this synthetic model, first model we have is gravity model. So this gravity model is mainly based on Newton's concept of gravity. The interchange of trips between zone is dependent on relative attraction between zones and spatial separation between them. So the above relationship can be represented by Tij will be equal to Kpi Aj divided by Dijn, where Tij is trips between zone I and J and Pi is trips produced in zone I and Aj is trip attracted to zone J. Dij is the distance between zone I and zone J depending upon the cost or time of travel between the zones. And K is number of zones. Okay, then coming to a problem. So in this, a self-contained town consists of 4 residential area A, B, C and 2 industrial estates X and Y. Generation equations show that for the design year in the question, the trips from home to work generated by each residential area per 24-hour day are as follows. So A is 1000, B is 2250, C is 1750 and D is 3200. Okay. There are 3,700 jobs in industrial estate X and 4,500 in industrial estate Y. It is known that attraction between zones is inversely proportional to the square of journey times between the zones. So the journey times in minutes from home to work. So calculate and tabulate interzonal trips for journeys from home to work. Okay. So there are 4 zones A to D and 2 industrial estates X and Y they have given and the trips generated they have given. So you should tabulate what is the interzonal trips. Okay. So from the formula growth factor will be given growth gravity model will be given by Tij will be equal to Pi into Aj divided by Dij square divided by Ai by Dij square. So here trips from A to X. So trips from A to X. So you have A that is 1000, X will be 50. Okay. So 1000 into Aj. So attraction they have given here. So X in case of X 3700 jobs. Okay. So you have 1000 into 3700 divided by 15 square whole divided by 3 X and Y that is 3700 divided by 15 square plus 4500 divided by 20 square. So A to X you have 5094. Similarly A to Y. So A to Y you have, so here A is 1000, then for Y it is 4500 and for zones it is 20. So here you will be getting as 1000 into 4500 divided by 20 square divided by 3700 by 15 square plus 4500 by 20 square. So you'll be getting 406. So in the same manner, TB of x, TB of y, TC of x and TC of y, then TD of X and TD of Y. So you'll be getting the values like this. So later you can calculate what is the total calculated attraction and total production. So here total calculated and attraction you are comparing. So here you can observe. So the total here you are getting similar. There is variation in these values. Okay. So now, so the total attraction do not tally with the predicted attraction. So total attraction is adjusted and recalculating. So once again, you are adjusting the travel attraction and you are recalculating. Okay. So next model you have is, next synthetic model is Tanner's model. So this Tanner's model mainly depends upon, or you can define as, inverse of nth power in the gravity model is not big nth power of the gravity model. So this gravity model is not valid for small and large distances. For small and large distances. So here nth power you are taking and you are finding out what is the trips. So here T1 of 2 will be equal to m P1 P2 E1 of 2 whole power of minus lambda d divided by d1 of 2 multiplied by 1 of C1 plus 1 of C2, where T1 of 2 is nothing but number of journey per day between two places 1 and 2. P1 and P2 are nothing but populations or measures of size of places. And D1 of 2 is nothing but distance between places 1 and 2. And C1 and C2 are nothing but constants. Okay. So next model is opportunity model. So this is mainly based on the statistic probability. Okay. So here there are two types: intervening opportunity model and competing opportunity model. So intervening opportunity model. So here trip interchange between origin and destination is equal to trips emanating from origin zone multiplied by probability that each trip will find an acceptable terminal at station. Okay. So this is mainly given by Tij. Tij will be equal to Qi into E of minus Lb minus of E power of minus Le, where Tij is nothing but predicted number of trips from zone I to J. Qi is the total number of trips originating in zone I. L is the probability density and A is the number of destination between I and J when arrangement in order of closeness, and B is number of destination between I and J excluding when arrangement is in the order of closeness. Okay. So next we can move on to competing opportunity model. So in this model, the adjusted probability of a trip in a zone is the product of two independent probabilities. Okay. The probability of a trip being attracted to the zone and probability of trip finding destination in zone. So it is given by Tij will be equal to Pj into Aj divided by summation of Aj whole divided by summation of Aj by summation of Aj. Okay. So these are some of the opportunity models. So next we can move on to multiple choice questions. So which one of the following is synthetic method for trip distribution analysis? Answer is D, that is Tanner's model. Okay. So next question, location factors are to be determined in which of the following methods? Answer is D, that is Frater method. The next Dash is the process of separating trips by mode of travel. Answer is C, that is modal split. So these are some of the references.